Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to report a pinned chat in the X app. Whether you've come across a conversation that violates the community guidelines or just something that feels inappropriate, it's important to know the right way to report it. Let's walk through the process together so you can handle it quickly and with confidence. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access to the features. Once you're in, take a moment to head down to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice the message icon right there, and that's where we need to tap. This section is where all your private conversations and pinned chats are stored. After tapping on Messages, look through your list until you see the pinned chat you want to report. Pinned chats stay at the top for easy access, which makes them even simpler to find. Once you've located the chat, press and hold on it. A set of options should appear on your screen. Among the available options, you'll see the one labeled Report. Tap on it. The app may ask you to confirm your decision, so go ahead and confirm when prompted. This action ensures that your report is submitted and sent directly to the support team for review. Reporting content is a way to keep the space safe and respectful, so don't worry, it's a normal and necessary part of keeping the platform secure. That's all it takes. Open the app, tap on the message icon, long press the pinned chat, choose Report, and confirm. With just a few taps, you've successfully submitted a report. Knowing how to do this is a simple but powerful tool that ensures you have more control over your experience on the platform. The next time you encounter something that feels off, you'll know exactly how to address it responsibly. Thanks for watching.